Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to download a GitHub repository. If you've been searching for a way to download a specific GitHub repository and save it to your local computer, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To download a GitHub repository, first of all, open github.com in your web browser. Once you are on GitHub, navigate to the repository you want to download. You can either download your own or someone else's repository. Use the search bar to find a specific public repository. I'm going to download this repository to my computer for offline access. Once you are on the repository page, you will see a green code button at the top right. Click on this code button. A drop-down menu will appear once you click. In the drop-down menu, you'll see several options. Click on Download Zip. Once you click, the repository will start downloading to your computer. The repository will be downloaded as a zip file. Save it to your desired location on your computer. Unzip the downloaded file by right-clicking on the zip file and selecting Extract All. By following these simple steps, you can easily download a GitHub repository as a zip file via the GitHub website. This allows you to access and work on the code locally on your computer.